an old panel from somewhere.
Use your initiative. What's he doing?
What?
He's using his initiative.
Well, he is a Boy Scout.
It's not bullying, is it? This. It's training.
Training, yeah.
Yeah.
Try turning it off and on again. Morning, rebooters. It's the next morning after Random Tech Arrive hash 12.1. Now on to 12.2. So the wiping rig is off. That's good news, which means our drives that we stacked in there yesterday have all successfully wiped. Bernie's mucking about with some laptops today. We got Demolition Boy coming in, so it'll all be go today. So let's have a look at the wiping rig. Alright, here it is. So it's got two 3.5 inch drives and four 2.5 inch drives. So it's pretty obvious, isn't it, what happens? And those all come out. So there's all our drives there. Let's turn that on. Get the log file on that, and then I can get the wipe certificate back to our donor. What are you doing there, Bernie?
Fighting with this HP little stream thing here. It's given us the appearance that the USBs are knackered.
Right, that's going to save that for a what's wrong with it video. So here is an HP ProBook 6570B that I built that last night. All that is working with Windows 10 on there now. So we're making progress. This will be going out for sale this morning. I've turned off Sony Steady Shot on this particular video because when I was editing the video last night, I found like the Steady Shot intelligence setting was trying to grab the frames, and it made it look a bit of a motion sickness on it. So I apologise for Random Tech Arrives hash 12.1 if you haven't seen that. So hopefully it might be a little bit less shaky but more shaky. Not sure really, but anyway. So progress is being made somewhere. So these HP 650s, we're just going to have to park these for a while until we get some screens in. Now we have got a contact who strips down laptops. He might have some screens, but we've already got two of these queued up waiting anyway, so we've got four HP 650s burning, I think, haven't we, waiting for screens?
No, I think the other one's 755's waiting for screens.
Oh, that's the AMD ones, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're kind of a bit stuck with those, so we'll just park those for now. So there they are in their trays, which we have a few of these now. ProBook needs HD panel, HP 755 display duff, 755 need HD panel, so they're all kind of queuing up now. So we need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we need 5 HD panels now. Right, we got young Jacob with us, Demolition Boy, and got some work for him this afternoon. So behind you, Jacob,
Yes.
there are 2 trolleys. The job for this afternoon is to test the monitors. So we should have some from the building company and some other ones. So, and we can both go through these. We need to make sure that all those are tested and out on display today. So let's get a wriggle on and we'll get those on the bench, shall we? Clear a bit of bench space. Get them all out on the we'll get them all out on the benches here. Just get those towers out of the way, and then we'll get busy. Meanwhile, Bernie is building one of those HP. Which one is this then, Bernie?
I don't know which one it is. It's one of the 4590S ones. Oh, there we go. It's gone straight into the windows from the stick on the front. Brilliant.
So, I think we've got one of those as our main PC, haven't we? That's got a 4590S in it.
I think so, yes.
Our reboot PC.
Yes, minus the drive on the front. Not very new, is it?
So Jacob's getting all the monitors out, and then we'll have a review, see what we've got, and then we'll do a test on those.
There's a couple of nice looking Samsungs there. Well, that definitely is a nice looking Samsung.
Okay, so here's all the monitors. We'll have a quick review on these. We've got one here. What is it? Samsung?
It's a Samsung S22C65
No stand,
Nope.
but it has got
It has got
up a bit. There we go. Yeah.
DisplayPort, VGA, and DVI.
Okay. So we've got a workshop upgrade.
It works.
Oh yeah, if it works.
It's wider as well.
So we're going to dump that there. I'm going to upgrade that one a bit. So it'll have three connections on it. Let's test that one first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get that replaced if it works. Right. Well, you know what to do, don't you?
Yeah. Plug it in.
Plug it in.
Bang!
You always do that. I should stop falling for it.
Is it going to work? Is it? Is it going to work? Give it a wiggle, yeah.
If the rig's on.
We have a result, don't we? We got a goer.
Do you want me to check the resolution?
Yeah.
That would be in.
Do a right click on the desktop.
True. Display settings. 1920 by 1080.
Alright. It's got a full HD panel. The other one up there is a 1050 panel, I think, isn't it?
Yeah,
That one?
16 by 1050.
Alright, let's dismantle.
Doing that, I'm going to place them on the check.
Right, we just got ourselves in a right old pickle there. We had 3 guys working on how to dismantle the bodge up, but we have rebodged now and we're back on. Right, we're going to do some monitor testing. We've got a Lenovo box, ThinkSensor, we've got hanging around the workshop. It's got VGA and the display port on the back there, Jacob, yeah?
Yep.
We've got our new monitor working there. That has got the display port working all right. So we're all guns blazing, but we're going to be using the Lenovo to test the rest of these monitors now. Well, after a pretty hectic day, Jacob, yeah, we've done a lot of stuff, got all those monitors done. So this was all empty, but now it's all full. So we've got some nice Samsung widescreen monitors, and these are they're not full HD, but they're 1680 by 1050s. We've got some 17-inch monitors, 1280 by 1024.
Yeah, it's odd one.
Oddie, we've got an odd one. And we've got filled up the widescreen 19-inch monitors as well. So now we've got some monitors for our customers. So all in all, it's been a good lot of stuff we've had in from our recent donor. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos coming up. Thanks for watching. See ya. Try turning it off and on again.